Hey, my friend. Welcome back to Tranquility Insights. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. Right now, I'm going to ask you for just 11 seconds. That's all. 11 seconds of your full attention, and I promise you, your energy can shift so powerfully that your outer world begins responding almost instantly. I'm not saying this for views, I'm not exaggerating. This is simply how consciousness works. Neville Goddard put it perfectly. Change your conception of yourself, and you automatically change the world you live in. And that shift doesn't need years, months, or even hours. It needs one moment, one feeling, one decision to see yourself differently. That's exactly what we're going to do together right now. Before I walk you through it, I want to speak to you like a real person because that is what this space is about. If you're watching from the USA, please press the hype button if it's showing on your screen. It helps this video reach more people across the USA in the first few days after upload. And if you're watching from another country, write your country in the comments. I genuinely love seeing where you're all watching from. Also, please like this video and subscribe to Tranquility Insights for more peaceful, powerful, and positive content. And if you leave a comment, know that I do read them. I may not reply to every single one, but I truly see them and I appreciate every word, okay? Let's get into it. I want you to think for a second about how much energy we spend chasing a feeling. We chase money because we think it will make us feel secure. We chase relationships because we think they will make us feel loved. We chase success because we think it will make us feel worthy. But here's the truth nobody tells you. You can access that exact feeling right now before any of it shows up in your physical reality. And the moment you do, you stop chasing and you start attracting. That's the whole shift we're working with together today. Every time you have a thought, you're sending out a vibration. But when that thought is charged with real feeling, it becomes creation. You don't need to repeat an affirmation 100 times. You just need to believe it once, fully, with your whole body, and that takes about 11 seconds of focus. That's it. That's why Neville Goddard said, the feeling is the secret, because in that short window of total belief, your subconscious accepts a new truth, and everything around you begins rearranging itself to match it. So here's what I want us to do together. Take a nice deep breath in with me, in through the nose, out through the mouth. One more time. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Now gently close your eyes with me. With your eyes closed, bring to mind one thing you want to manifest. Just one. It could be unexpected money finding its way to you. It could be a message from someone you love. It could be a new opportunity in your business or career. Or maybe it's simply more peace, more calm, more confidence in your everyday life. Whatever it is, imagine it has already happened. Not that it's coming, not that it's on the way. It is here, right now. Whatever you wanted, you now have it in your hands. Feel that relief settle into your body. Feel the gratitude. Feel the joy because it is already done. Hold that feeling. Hold it right now. It is finished. It is complete. No more wondering, no more waiting, no more worrying. It's here. You have it. Keep holding that feeling as I count down with you silently. 11, 10, 9, 8. Hold it. 7, 6, 5. Keep holding. 4, 3. It's yours. 2, 1. That's it. You can gently open your eyes. You just did it. For those 11 seconds, you became the version of you who already has what you desire. And because consciousness creates reality, the outer world now has to follow. It has to. That's how quickly this works. It doesn't matter what it was you pictured. Once you accept it as done on the inside, life begins moving the pieces around on the outside. This is what Neville Goddard called the law of assumption. You don't manifest what you want, you manifest what you assume to be true. And just now you assumed something beautiful. You felt it. You believed it. That single moment of alignment is more powerful than 1,000 affirmations repeated without feeling, because energy doesn't respond to repetition. It responds to certainty. So tell me, how do you feel right now, knowing it's already yours? Lighter? Calmer? A little more at peace? That's not just a passing emotion. That is proof. Proof that your state has changed. You shifted from wanting to having, and once that shift happens, it cannot be undone. Reality is already catching up to meet you. So the next time this desire crosses your mind, don't worry about the how or the when. You already did the work. Those 11 seconds were enough, because in the eyes of consciousness, time doesn't really exist. Only state exists, and you have already entered the state of the wish fulfilled. Now watch what happens next. Watch closely. The signs will start to show up in small, quiet ways at first. A bridge of events will begin to unfold, and it may even feel like your manifestation came out of nowhere. But you'll know exactly when it started. It started right here, with these 11 seconds in this moment we just shared together. If this practice moves something in you, that's exactly what Tranquility Insights is here for. Creating small, calm spaces where your energy can shift and your life can follow. And I want you to remember something important. You don't need a perfect morning routine, 100 index cards, or hours of meditation to change your life. You need a moment of true embodied belief. That's it. That's the whole secret hiding in plain sight. Every teacher, every book, every tradition that talks about manifestation is ultimately pointing you back to the same place. Your own state of being, not your circumstances, not your bank account, not what anyone else says about you, just your state. So if today all you did was close your eyes for 11 seconds and feel something different, you did more inner work than most people do in a month of overthinking. Be proud of that. Let yourself feel proud of that. This is a practice, not a one-time miracle. And the more often you return to this feeling, the more natural it becomes to live from it instead of just visiting it once in a while. That's really what peace looks like. Not the absence of desire, but the quiet confidence that what you desire is already on its way because you already claimed it on the inside. Before you go, I'd love for you to drop a comment below and tell me what you just manifested in those 11 seconds. I read every single one, and I love hearing what you're calling into your life. If this video helped you feel even a little lighter, please like it, share it with someone who needs this energy today, and subscribe to Tranquility Insights so you never miss the next one. We're building something peaceful here, together, one video at a time. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.